How to transfer TikTok Paylater to Gcash. The first thing you want to do is, of course, access your TikTok application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is go to your profile located at the lower right portion of your screen. And here, go to the three lines at the top right portion and head directly to your balance. Now, if you are eligible and if you are already been approved to have a TikTok Pay Later, it will automatically be converted or be transferred to your TikTok balance. And for you to be able to withdraw it, all you have to do is just go to Live Rewards, tap on that, and this is going to be your page in which you'll have to enter the specific amount that you'd like to be withdrawn. Say, for example, you'd like to withdraw around $10. So just simply type in $10 and go directly to the withdraw option. So since I don't have any balance on my TikTok wallet, I won't be able to withdraw anything from it. But that's it. That's basically how you can transfer TikTok Pay Later to Gcash.